What's your phone number?
803
864
0000.
All right, slow down.
803 864 0000.
I got you. And what's your height and weight? 200. What's your? Got you. What's your address? Your physical address? I want to mail something to you.
29 Farrell Lane.
Where's that at? That's the house back there. I got you. Hey, stand over here. Stand over here. Stand over here. Stand over here. Come over here, Mr. Rainer. And what color you said the gun was?
Black.
Black. Could you tell if it was a revolver or a semi-hand?
It was an automatic.
Automatic. Did he say anything when he was pointing at you?
Much stuff. He will kill, he will shoot, he will kill, over and over and over.
Like a baby nine, man.
Where do you live?
Cross Street.
Yeah.
I'm home.
All right. You stay in this little house down here, man? All right. I just wanted to make sure you don't stay over here.
No.
All right.
No, that's my house.
All right. Gotcha, man.
Well, actually, JWD, but I live there.
Mr. Hudson, right?
Yes, sir.
Were you at home were you at home when this incident happened?
Yep.
All right. Tell me, what did you see?
Well, this is what I seen. I seen the white car pull up. The boy come out with a gun.
Who's the boy?
The one in that car.
What's his name? I need you to.
His name is Josh Washburn. The other boy.
Josh who?
Josh Washburn.
All right.
The other boy, Corey, I don't know his last name, and my wife knew his husband. We was getting a divorce and shit, and I guess she's feeling some type of way. She was supposed to bring the kids over here and start ordering about money and shit. So then he pulls the gun out on me.
Who's he?
Corey, I don't know his last name. Corey Duncan. They don't even live around here. They live in Winter.
And what kind of gun did you see Mr. Duncan with?
9mm.
How you know it was a 9mm specifically?
Because I know gun, I ain't supposed to have one.
What color was it?
It's black. We got a hole in that big.
All right.
Yep.
You know where it's at?
What up?
All the guns in the house. I want my, it's my house.
And then what was he saying? What was he saying to you?
I'm gonna tell you.
Which one, Mr. Duncan?
I want, yeah, Mr. Duncan. And if Mr. Duncan went and pulled a gun out on me and did that.
Can I speak to you, sir?
No, get on across the street. Don't y'all head
Sir, talk to me. Talk to me.
Come over here.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Get your ass over there.
Talk to me.
Say something to him.
Sir, I'm gonna talk to you. I promise you, I'm gonna give you your chance. And if they interrupt, I'm gonna tell them not to talk. I'm gonna give you your opportunity, please. If you would do me a favor and just wait over there, and I'm gonna come talk to you. And if they come across the street, I'm gonna ask them to come over here, please, sir. Go ahead.
What are you doing up there?
Bravo 2. So Mr. Duncan pointed the handgun at you?
27 out of Indiana for Joshua David Washburn, 212 of 84. Unit suspended. Signal 21.
Affirm, go ahead.
And for another active 29 out of Hamilton County Sheriff's Office out of Noblesville, Indiana. Tenant for extradition for failure to appear dangerous drug. 1 minute and a hit.
You heard it? Affirm. That copy full extradition?
Affirmative, but I needed to confirm it with them first.
Affirm. You can go ahead and send a hit.
10-4.
Mr. Hudson. So, I need for you to tell me the story.
Okay.
10-4.
So, you saw Mr. Duncan with the firearm.
Yes, sir.
Did Mr. Duncan point a firearm at you?
Yep. And all the people right here. Him. Yep. And him.
Okay.
Every damn one.
And did he communicate anything? Was he yelling anything? What was he saying?
I'm kill you. That's what he said. And I can get away with it.
I can get away with it. I mean, I don't think that's right. You know. Man, I got locked up for assaulting.
Mr. Hutchinson, what's your first name?
John J-O-H-N Hudson. H2FN, 929-1970.
And what's that address back there? That's your residence back there.
1253 Hampton Farrell Lane. Whatever you want to call it. Hampton Farrell, yeah, Hampton, I don't know what it is.
Did you see anybody else with a weapon?
Yeah, I got 2 or 3 guns. I mean, I ain't got no gun.
But you just told me you saw another individual with a weapon too, right?
You go in that house.
Sir, I'm not.
It's my house.
I'm just, sir, Mr. Hudson, listen to me.
That's aggravating him. Could you get
Mr. Hudson.
Look at this, man.
Sir, he could do that, sir. Sir, Mr. Hudson. Mr. Hudson, he could do that, Mr. Hudson. Sir, come here. Sir, come here.
Wait a minute. This man.
Listen, I am trying to.
He helping.
He can do. Listen, sir. He can video. He can do this. Did anybody else witness this? Did anybody else witness this? Besides, I got your statement. Did anybody else see this?
Yeah.
Did you?
I was there the whole time.
Okay. Do you have your identification?
Okay,
what's your first name?
Sabrina.
It's common spelling, but spell it for me.
Sabrina.
And what's your last name, Miss Sabrina?
Baker.
Spell that for you.
Baker.
All right. And what's your date of birth?
12/14/90.
And tell me what you observed.
This one's threatening to kill this one.
When you saying this one, you need to. Do you know their name?
I don't know his name.
Who? Which one? The one that's walking on?
Yeah.
Okay. He did what?
He threatened to kill him. Monica chased him with a shovel and a stick. Threw the stick at him. I guess her new boyfriend, he's the one that pointed the black gun at.
Did you see it?
Yes.
All right.
He pointed it at all four of us.
And what did he say?
He said he was gonna fucking kill him.
Okay. This gentleman right here, you know him in the back of this vehicle right here?
I know he's a dumbass.
Okay. Did you see him with a weapon?
No.
Okay. All right. Sir, I said I was going to come and talk to you. I said I was going to come talk to you. Absolutely. I said I'm going to come talk to you, all right? I'm going to come talk to you. What's your address, Miss Baker?
1158 Hampton.
1158 Hampton. All right, I'll be right. And what's your phone number?
803 218 8923.
8923. John, what's your phone number?
My phone number is...
Sabrina got your phone.
You got my phone number?
John,
Do you know his phone number?
It's on the back of it.
it's on the back of it?
Yes. I mean, we may have run down.
Is that your son right there, sir?
803
Yeah.
803
591
591
8269.
8269. All right. What's your son's name?
Oh, John Ethan Hudson.
How you doing? I appreciate it too. Thank you. And Mr. Hudson, I'm here to talk to you. Tell me what happened.
I am about to cut this off, but I'm going to record this. That's because I do want to show you
Totally.
the video.
Totally fine.
Okay.
Totally fine.
So, and I have all of this recorded.
Yes, sir.
For one, at no point did whoever y'all arrested in there do anything.
Okay.
For one.
Okay.
But the whole entire time, he started.
When you saying he, do you know their name?
John Hudson, my
Okay.
father.
Uh-huh.
So he started with us talking about yelling and screaming, saying he was going to kill us and everything like that, which I do have that recorded also.
Okay.
So he said that he was going to kill us. He said that he was going to go get friends to fuck us up and kill us and throw us out, even though we pay rent. I have that on. You know, I know that's a civil dispute. Y'all don't do anything with that. But, and to kick us out with his friends. His friends did not do anything, but I guess they were just there to be a witness. At this point in time, that's whenever my mother pulled up. There was a bit of a verbal dispute, right? My mother pulled up.
Verbal dispute between you and your...
Verbal dispute between me and my father.
Yes, sir.
So, because he was saying he was going to kill us, and I know
And when you say
I-
us,
everyone in the house.
Who are you including in us?
So me,
Yes, sir.
gentleman right in there,
Yes, sir.
my 13-year-old sister in there, which he said multiple times. He says it all the time that he's going to kill us. But so, that's it, right?
Gotcha.
He
And what is your name?
Nothing.
Okay. All right.
Anonymous.
All right. Yes, sir.
But, so, as of this moment, I will make a case, so I'll give you my name.
Okay.
But, so, and then upon that point, once my mother pulled up, they pulled up. My father, Eddie Rayner, they start approaching.
And where was
This
this?
is on this little back dirt road right here.
Okay.
Now that I don't have on film.
Yes, sir.
So that I don't.
Uh-huh.
And upon reproach, my father starts cursing, yelling, and screaming, saying he's going to kill him.
Uh-huh.
So at that point, Corey did have a firearm.
All right.
He never once pulled it.
He showed it.
He did show it, saying, "Hey, I have this, and if you approach me, I will react." It is a constitutional carry state, you know. And then upon that,
He got sprayed in the face with mace.
upon that, Eddie Rayner pulled out his pepper spray and sprayed Corey Duncan in the face.